enjoyed your activity yesterday? Alright! How about, have you already thought what job you want to have someday? Well, what Miss I can say about you is that you will become a successful person someday. Just always listen to your mommy and daddy. So now, let's have your next activity.
Out all the tools pictures. Also cut 3 strips colored paper. Next, get any color of colored paper and divide it into 3. Get a pencil to mark a shape of the carpenter's toolbox. To have a toolbox holder, use the 3 strips colored paper and paste it at the top of the toolbox. Paste all the tools inside the toolbox. Lastly, you can also write your name in front of the toolbox. Done! Now, you can make your own kits. Good luck!